Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 26 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short video will discuss the measurement of flush bands and arches in brickwork in accordance with new rules of measurement 2. The UK construction industry is famous for the quality of its brickwork. Although not as common today as a few years ago, many buildings contain brickwork features. The most common are bands either flush, sunk or projecting, and arches. Although mainly formed in situ, it is increasingly common to build in preformed units. Centering and other support for arches is now deemed to be included. Here is the relevant page from NRM 2, and as shown, the rules for the measurement of arches in particular is not very comprehensive. It really is up to the QS to describe the arch in a way that enables it to be priced. It may be appropriate to include a build diagram. Note that in addition to measuring the arch in meters, the number has to be stated. The rules for measuring bands are more detailed, and a sample description is given on the next page. This description is based on the NRM 2 rules. Again, if the QS feels greater detail is required, then a build diagram can be included and referred to. The length of 2.5 meters has been assumed. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get the latest updates and releases.